This video teaches you how to see comments on a YouTube video in a browser. Go to www.youtube.com in a web browser on your computer. Search for a video. Click a video in the search results. Scroll down the videos page to see comments. They will be below the description. Click the down arrow on a comment to view replies. You can like, dislike, or reply to a comment. There is also a problem with this video, so ask about the comments. Any problem related to social media and internet, let them know in the comment bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for any updates.